Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about painters and painting. Today, we will talk about John Burl. John Burl is 1863 to 1912. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. John Burl was a renowned Catalan painter and a leading figure in the Modernism movement in Barcelona at the turn of the 20th century. His work, characterized by a blend of symbolism and realism, helped define the artistic ethos of his time. Burl's paintings are noted for their dreamlike qualities, lyrical themes, and their delicate portrayal of both human figures and landscapes. He was a master of subtle emotion, using his brush to depict the human condition in soft, nuanced way that resonated deeply with the modernist sensibilities of Catalonia. John Bruls was born on 25th January 1863 in Barcelona, Spain. He showed as an early aptitude for drawing, which led him to pursue formal training at the École des Beaux-Arts, one of the most prestigious art academies in Barcelona. There he studied under renowned painters like Antoni Caba and Claudi, who influenced his early artistic development with their teaching rooted in realism and historical painting. In his early years, Bruce was attracted to the academic tradition of realism, and his initial works bore the hallmarks of this style. However, like many of his contemporaries, he began to explore more innovative and expressive forms of painting, which eventually led him to embrace modernism, a movement with Celtic art and architecture during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Modernism was not just a style of art, but a cultural movement that sought to assert Celtic initially and pride in response to the centralizing tendencies of Spain. It was characterized by a desire to break away from classical tradition, combining influences from art nouveau, symbolism, and romanticism with local Celtic elements. Burl quickly became one of the foremost painters in his movement, developing a unique visual language that emphasized symbolism, emotion, and idealized forms. One of Burr's most distinctive traits was his focus on ethereal female figures, often portrayed as nymphs of mythological beings, set against serene, atmospheric landscapes. His canvas evoke a scene of mystery and poetry, Blending human forms with nature is a way that suggests a deeper connection between the two works like La Fada encapsulate this vision. Their Burr's dreamlike figure appear to transcend the physical world, embodying both grace and melancholy. Burr's style was deeply influenced by symbolism, which em- emerged as a counterpoint to the trial representation of reality that dominated academic art. Symbolists sought to express ideas, emotion, and the ineffable aspect of human experience through metaphor, abstraction, and allegory. World adopted these techniques, incorporating a subdued color plate, soft light, and fluid brushwork that added to the dreamlike quality of his work. John Burr's contribution to Celtic art did not go unnoticed. In 1888, he won a gold medal at the Barcelona Universal Exposition, a prestigious event that showcased art, culture, and technological advancement from around the world. His success at this event marked the beginning of his international recognition. In the years that followed, Ball's work was featured in exhibitions across Europe, including in Paris, Madrid, and Munich, where he continued to win critical acclaim and prestigious awards. Bus was also frequent contributor to Barcelona's cultural and artistic community. He exhibited at various salons, collaborated with fellow modernist artists, and contributed to publications like Juventud, a literary magazine that served as a platform for the modernism movement. His role as a critic and essayist future solidified his reputation as one of the key intellectual voices in Celtic art. Thought John Burns passed away in 1912 at the relatively young age of 49. His legacy endures. He played a central role in shaping the direction of Celtic modernism, especially through his poetic and symbolic works, which are celebrated for their sensitivity and elegance. His paintings, particularly his depiction of women. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.